In the front foyer, we have a person, Lisa Bostic, who is hanging up in the hallway next to Miss Patty's picture. And Lisa Bostic was a principal in our district. Mr. and Mrs. Bostic had 5 children. And all of them went to school in the Wichita Public School District. We are pleased to have them here today because I wanted to thank them for their faithfulness to Bostic Traditional Magnet through all of these years, and I'm going to tell you what they've been doing. Every year, they have been in charge of donating money and donating themselves, their time and their money and funds to our school to purchase library books for us. And in our library, this year, we have $600 worth of library books. Thank you very much to the foundation, to the Bostic family. And last year, we also had a donation of $600 as well for library books. And this has gone on, Mrs. Bostic, for how many years?
About 22.
22 years they've been donating money to our library.
Our father, Liesl Bostic, and who my oldest brother is named after. His name is Liesl Bostic as well. And he was the principal here in Wichita Public Schools. He was the principal last at Cloud, which also has a library named after him. And he was here, and he was a huge proponent of education and of reading. And now there's been a school named after him for more than 20 years, and we've had a partnership thanks to our mother and our family and the foundation for that time as well.
Presented to USD 259 Superintendent Alicia Thompson and the USD 259 Board with our greatest appreciation for naming and supporting Bostic Traditional Magnet. Maxine Bostic, Liesl Mack Bostic, Robert Bostic, Clarence Bostic, Christy Bostic McLean, Elizabeth Bostic, and the LRE McGlotham Foundation. I do work with the Secret Service, so on behalf of the Bostic family, we have another signed book. This one is a book of George W. Bush, signed by President Bush. To match your Clinton book that you have, it's signed by him right there.
And we also wanted to present to each one of you a certificate of appreciation from Bostic Traditional Magnet to you and your family.
It's really important to us because today we're doing the Golden Apple, which is awesome because it is saluting both the family and as well as the foundation and the partnership. And we're super excited because we've been doing it for years. And it's so awesome to see a place like Bostic that focuses so much on the students and the families, and that they are appreciative of it is honestly just a great thing to see. That's what we're really focusing on today, and we really wanted to salute Miss Roselle and the kids as well, even though it's not just about the fact that the partnership between the foundation and the family with Bostic.